Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and thank you so very much for returning for another video. So today I have teamed up with several other lovely ladies here on YouTube, and April from April Newly Me suggested that we all make different Thanksgiving side dishes. I will go ahead and leave the links to their channels down below in the description box. Some of their dishes may or may not be vegan friendly, but you guys can always make them vegan friendly. I decided to make a vegan pumpkin pie, so enough chit chat, let's go ahead and jump right on into this recipe. The ingredients include one 14-ounce can of pumpkin puree, a half a cup of brown sugar, a fourth a cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and a half a teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 1/4 cup of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 3/4 cups of full-fat coconut milk. Make sure you shake the can very well before you pour and measure it. And of course, you'll need a vegan-friendly pie crust. Mix all of the dry ingredients together. Now we're just going to go ahead and pour the remaining of the ingredients into one bowl. So we're just going to mix everything together. Once your pie filling is well mixed, we're going to go ahead and take our pie crust and then puncture it slightly with a fork. Now we're just going to go ahead and take the filling and fill up the pie crust. I am using a deep dish pie crust. Now we're just going to go ahead and make the filling even. Place your pie on a cookie sheet and then we're going to bake it in our 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour. While your pie is baking, it will appear to be dark, but after it cools down, it will lighten up. And as you all can see, I decided to make 2 pies simply because my family will eat this within 1 day. Here are what the pies are looking like while they cool. I will say let them cool for about 4 hours, but make sure you guys go and check out the other ladies' video. And I want to thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.